Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Piper says hello. We hope everybody's doing good today. It's been a while since I filmed anything. I've been so busy with house renovations and getting this house ready for the winter. Soon I have to undecorate all of this fall decor, so stay tuned for a holiday decoration video. But today, to my surprise, I got this adorable little box. We're gonna open it together. And I didn't grab scissors, so let's hope I don't have too much difficulty. But it is from my sister. I don't know if it's a letter. I don't know if it's something separate. She did not inform me. I don't know if it was something she even wanted opened on this channel. So we shall see what comes. Oh, what is that? This isn't real. Is this real? No, she just reused the box. This isn't real. She got me a doorbell kit? No. She didn't! There's things inside! Oh my gosh, yes! It's bird themed! I had mentioned to her that I wanted a bird themed letter, and she understood the assignment. Actually, this thing says, a bird does not sing because it has an answer. Birds of the feather flock together. A heart without dreams is a bird without feathers that make fine birds. If you want to fly, give up everything. It's just like all of these cute little bird sayings. Love it. What? Look it. Oh, it's like three-dimensional. Oh my gosh. I feel like I gotta move the camera so that you guys. So there's a lot going on here. Yay! Okay, so it says, hello, the bird who dares to fall is the bird who learns to fly. And it has Velcro. Bird. Small things become great when done with love. Oh, what? Cute. This is like a little, oh, this came undone. This was here. It was the envelope for that. That's the letter. Another letter. 2 letters. Wow. I will read them on my own time. Oh, jeez, I can't keep it. This is really hard to do one-handed. Oh my gosh. I love that. Look at, oh, so cute. One thing that I know for sure, the GoPro's not great at close-ups. It doesn't zoom. So I think I'm gonna get a different camera soon. Best wishes. We're gonna set this down. Try it this way. That's better. The bird who dares to fall is the bird who learns to fly. A heart without dreams is a bird without feathers. Spread your wings and fly. Thank you. Oh, there's more. Best wishes. Well, that's adorable. No bird soars too high if he soars with his own wings. And then this one had the washi tape. Precious. This is such a cool design. It's a wooden bird. Wow. What am I going to do with that? Cute. Aww, precious. So I can do something like that. Love you. Hello. over. Wow. Oh, stuff. Hey. Oh, hi. That one's my favorite. Oh, hi. So cute. Wow, I love that design. That design is really, really cool. And then she had it so it folds right up, and then it does like a little... Cool. I'm gonna at least just open this just to see. Oh, she decorated it with bird stuff. And then this one, just to see. Oh, she stamps it with birds. Cute. Yay! Thank you so much for my bird mail. My burb mail. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I will now read said letter. And hopefully I get Erin's letter this week too. Be double mail video, and hopefully I will start recording soon because Halloween is over. The memo is Halloween is over and it is now Christmas. And maybe not do totally Christmas. Maybe I'll start with like seasonal, winter, and just get those cozy winter vibes in here, and then slowly add the Christmas stuff as Christmas gets closer after Thanksgiving. So that's the plan so far, but I hope everybody's doing good. We'll talk soon.